Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add a save as button in a PDF using Kofax Power PDF. First open your PDF from my PDF from and click this from option. I have already clicked this from option and here I will find this button tool option. Click here and draw here your save as button area and click right button for properties and click the general option. Select here border color. For a line style I choose dash, a line thickness thick, and fill color I choose white, and text color I choose a pink, and font size auto, and click this option. Type here your button name, save as, and now click action option. Here you will find this execute a menu item. Click here and click add and click this file option. Here you will find this save as PDF. Click here. Now click OK and close and click this hand option and click this save as option. This save as option file already shown here. Type here anything and now click save as. Type your name, file name, and save. This is, and finally click this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.